Hello, everyone. Welcome to the course EDLT 7735, Evaluation of Educational Products and Programs. I'm your instructor for this course. My name is Wei Jian Yan. Wei, just like way to go. Jian, just like the short version of Jennifer. So Wei Jian is my first name. You can call me Dr. Yan or Professor Yan. I graduated from Purdue University with a PhD degree in learning design and technology. And I also got a graduate certificate on quantitative research assessment and evaluation. I'm very excited that in this semester, we're going to study this course together. Before we start, I'd like to give you an overview of this course and some tips on how to succeed in this course. First, I would like to share my screen. As you know that from this semester, all our courses will be delivered through Canvas. So the first thing you need to do is to get familiar with Canvas navigation. So first, I would like you to turn on notifications. Notification is very important because it can remind you the due dates and also send you notifications about important announcements. So the first thing to do is to turn on notification. Then in our courses, this course is for the doctoral level, and it's very important for your future research or any kind of evaluation of your learning outcomes or any professional kind of a training or workshop you designed, any instructional products or programs. So have this kind of expectation. This course will be very heavy loaded and mentally prepare for it. So I will give you a very quick view of the course design. So first we have a course questions. If you have any questions related to our course, and you can post them in this course questions forum. And because some other students may share the same kind of concerns or may ask similar questions, it is better for you to post your questions here and give others a kind of opportunity to also learn about the problems, and maybe we can brainstorm and to solve the problems and answer the questions together. In cold water cooler discussion, if you have something to share, for example, you find that a survey is really kind of user-friendly, or you have learn some tools to better design some instrument. Okay, anything you like to share, very exciting news or instructional design kind of tools, and you can post them here. And we would like to celebrate it with you together. So next, I will go through the syllabus very quickly. So here is my email. This is the quickest way for you to get hold of me, okay, because I just keep the email open and I will answer them quickly whenever I see that you give me 1 or 2 business days for me to respond, as I received hundreds of emails every day. So when you're sending your questions, please in the subject line saying that EDLT 7735 assignment 2. So give me this kind of a specific information, which help me to locate your email more quickly and easily. So email is a good way to get hold of me. So if you want to set up some virtual meetings, or here is my Zoom, and you can just access Zoom, and we can have a kind of virtual meeting at arranged hours. You can send an email to make appointment with me first. Okay. This course, in this course, we're going to learn principles and techniques used to conduct organizational evaluations. So if you have some if you have designed some instructional products before, maybe in other courses, in instructional design course or other courses, and if you like to evaluate it, it is okay. And if you have the data or you have the participants to collect the data from it, and later you can just develop into a paper which can be published later. But I think that will happen at the end of the course when you already learn how to design a survey, how to ask interview questions, and which will better prepare you to write your paper. But remember, if you want to collect the data, you have to apply for IRB first. So we have the textbook uploaded in the Canvas. You can download it. I strongly recommend you download it for the sake of the convenience. Not only the textbook will be used as kind of a foundational resources, we have provided you a lot of additional readings. If you really want to learn this course well, I strongly suggest you spend time read those additional resources. And for each week, you have to read first before responding to your classmates' posts or before doing your assignments. So in this course, we have discussions throughout the course. Those discussions are for you to think about it, the real problems in life and how to evaluate. And those discussions require active participation. So we have a deadline for the participation and also a specific scoring rubric in the first week. And you can please read it carefully. The deadline for the initial post is on Wednesday. So you have to post your ideas by the end of the Wednesday. And students are required to provide peer feedback to their fellow students. So the deadline for peer feedback is at the end of the Saturday. So I hope that Sunday is a day for you to relax and spend time with the family. So Saturday is a deadline for peer feedback. So we have 10 discussions, and also we have 3 main projects, 3 major assignments. Okay. First, we're going to propose an instructional product. And later, we're going to evaluate on 2 levels. I forgot to mention that the textbook is Kirkpatrick and Kirkpatrick. It has 4 levels. So in your evaluation plan, you're going to evaluate based on 2 levels. And in evaluation report, you're going to report, you're going to evaluate on level at the 3rd level and the 4th level. So finally, you have a big project cover 4 levels of evaluation. Also, at the end of the semester, we have a survey for you to provide some ideas, some feedback, what we can do to make this course better, or what you think that is not good. Also, it's not going to, it will be done at the end of the semester, but I'm really, really happy if you can provide me any kind of feedback during the semester. So you can just send me the emails and talk about your concerns, and I'm open to just improve the course based on the feedback from the students. For in this class, the deadline is respected. Okay, so we have the deadlines for weekly discussion, and we have the deadlines for 3 major assignments. I forgot to mention that there's samples and rubrics are very clearly stated in the assignments. You will see it. Please spend some time to read it carefully. In the first week, we don't have a lot of reading, but we have syllabus, we have scoring rubric, we have 3 assignments, the samples, the scoring, grading rubrics for you to see. As I mentioned, this course is going to require a lot of effort and time from you. So be prepared. Okay. So for the discussions, okay, I will not engage very actively. I will see, okay, your contributions, I will grade them, but I will refrain from talking too much because we're using constructive learning methodology, and we as a group, we construct the knowledge together. And also sometimes I feel when I say something, it seems the end of the conversation and students will not talk anymore. So I will check from time to time, but please don't expect me to reply to every post. It's more like a collaborative learning process that students learn from each other, and we explore the ideas, the concepts together. So here, students' participation about the quality of discussion. Please read it carefully. We focus more on the quality over the quantity. So here, it tells what is a good quality post. Please try your best to provide insights or ask questions to keep the conversation going. So time management, as I said, I think you're going to spend maybe 6 hours per week on this course. You're going to read and you're going to think, and you're going to respond to your peers' homework or assignments or group discussions. So it takes a lot of time. This is so yeah. Plan your time wisely and just assign some time to this course based on your busy schedule. So late assignments, as I mentioned, that deadline is very important. So please adhere to the deadline, and late work will not be accepted. But I understand that sometimes things happen. If you have a life event or something unexpected happened, please write me an email beforehand. Okay, then I will try my best to accommodate your needs. But at the same time, I really want to ensure fairness and equity to all the students. So we have the course schedule. So in each course, we have the required readings, and we have the required assignments, and their due dates are all clearly stated in this course schedule. So whenever you have questions and you're not quite sure about the deadline, please return to this syllabus and look at the course schedule carefully. Fortunately, that in week 9, this is AECT week. Uh, I know that a lot of you will go to ACT in person. I will go too. So I'm very excited to get connected with you in ACT. And there is no homework and no reading in the week when ACT will be held. Also, in week 14, that is Thanksgiving week. This is a time to relax, to spend with your family. So in Thanksgiving week, we also can take a little break from assignments, from the reading. So that's pretty much of it. And I'm very excited to start this semester with you. As Dr. Zhang already told me that you are amazing students and you're working really hard. And I'm looking forward to seeing your achievement. And please feel free to ask any questions and by sending me an email. Bye. See you soon.